today we'll be doing challenge that I don't think has ever been done before. It's not really a challenge either. I'm not sure what to grade as a challenge. But I'm here with my dad. And so it's going to be a challenge to create like a royalty slime. So we'll be using this little Pearl X to kind of makes it shiny orange and the pigments. But yeah.
Wow.
But it's probably
Oh,
better
it's not
to...
even open yet.
It's probably better to wait until we made the slime first.
Wow. Do you add that later?
Yeah, you add that at the end because it has to be finished.
Alright.
So I already have a bit of clear glue in here. So, yeah.
Alright.
If you want
Let's
to
start mixing.
add the dye in first. Normally you just add the glitter. Oh!
We have some birds fighting.
Yeah,
outside.
some birds fighting outside.
Some doves are fighting over some,
Fortnite battle.
yeah, for their food. It's sleeting and snowing outside.
And I'm doing a video on that too. This is in between it all.
Alright. What do we do?
So if you're going to use this one, then you can pick out your dye. So these ones are clear. The rest of these are. And make sure not to add too much. I feel like we need a bit more glue. What about you?
Yeah, more glue.
Whatever.
That's what I'm gonna do for color. I think.
There we go. Is that good?
Yeah.
I'm afraid to touch it. Here's
Yes.
the activator. We just gotta add it slowly because recently we've had a few problems with the clear glue. So
Nice. Pre-mixed borax. Very nice. Is that right?
yeah.
Okay, how much do you add? Don't need to know that.
If you want to, you can add the colors first. You can add the colors whenever, but if you prefer not to get dye on your hands, then add it first.
Okay. Add the dye first. Okay, I'm gonna do a color. This is the cyanogen slime. Cyanogen slime. Oh wow, look at that. You guys see that? That is so cool.
It's the extreme satisfying.
Oh, so we need a camera above and below.
I
Cut in
know.
between that. That'd be awesome. Wow, this is really good.
Mine's gonna be orange. Look at this glitter.
Alright.
Now, just gotta add a little bit.
That's
It's okay. Once you add the white stuff, it'll lighten it up a bit. You'll be able to
okay.
see it more. So
What
just
should
add
you do?
really little bit at a time.
Like what, like that?
It was a bit much, so next time, make sure to stir it in really good. We got a mom walking around in the background.
Just trying to hold on our slime shoot. Wow, look at that. Did I say it? Did I call it? Alright.
We got
Was this the right consistency?
Ebola Cola.
Roll call. I'm dropping in my spoon here. Is that a good way to introduce it the right speed and frequency?
I'm not sure if there's a strategy to that, but you can do whatever.
Alright. Well, I don't know. You're the slime expert.
So far, we haven't failed or anything. Looking pretty good, pretty good.
Yep. That's good, right?
Yeah, that looks good so
I
far.
think we're getting some progress there. Alright.
It just has to be a real slow progress.
Alright. Alright, more catalyst. Go. Oh no.
But I do find that when you pick it up too early, it does end up being stiff. I have no idea why, but that's just been a pattern at least for when mine end up.
Consistency. That's awesome.
And if for some reason this begins to have signs of stiffness, then you're just gonna make it a jiggly slime because that always helps.
Okay.
What is the range for butter slime again? It's just pretty much clay. It has to be soft clay, otherwise it ends up chunky like. You remember? So use that as a glue or just add it to the glue? Add it to the glue. Well, some people say... You still need the borax? Yeah, you always need the borax. It's only glue and borax. I guess some people say that if you use specifically dicel clay and with... If you're really pushing, you can whip clay. I don't know. It's just deactivated. Right.
Yeah, it's supposed
Not me. You know how slime sticks to me.
Uh-huh.
It's not a good idea. Oh boy. Here we go.
See how nice and stretchy this one is? So there's the proof that adding a little bit at a time and not picking it up until it looks ready is a good strategy. Oh, it's eating the snow outside. Alright, once I'm done with this video, I'm doing another recording of. Could you possibly sort something like
Yeah, it's sticking pretty bad. There we go. Okay. No, this is like really slimy. It's kind of sticking to everything. It looks like the catalyst is not functioning yet. The chemical reaction is not doing what we thought. Look, the dye isn't really doing it. No, the dye just makes it a bit, just like small. Borax to the rescue. Yeah, it's just a bit more reactivated. It's not supposed to go fast otherwise. Oh, so this isn't the normal borax mixture. This is a little bit weaker? No, it has to be because the 27 turned out good at the end. Okay, alright, I'm suffering. Come on, I'll get it. Man. This stuff is sticky. No, Newtonian fluids are so much fun, but they're sticky. Glitter bomb. I guess I'm not really a glitter bomb. I'm not known for my glitterness. I don't get my glitter on very often.
Is there anything girly that I do?
Nope.
Drinking tea. I love tea.
What's so girly about tea?
Well, isn't it? I don't know. Is
Only when you drink it in
other
fancy
than
cups.
in England, tea's kind of girly. England, it's kind of the par for the course.
For me, when it's in a fancy little dinky cup, then it's girly.
Oh, I got you.
But when if it's like in a big giant beer jar, then it's manly.
Like I drink it.
Yes.
Okay.
We're gonna just spin out the black and get this one. Come on, man. You're sim? Okay, you will only understand that if you fall for it. Fall for a farmer, and you discover that little place to throw it. But people think they're right. I don't know. Sorry, it's a very hippie. No, okay. Good partial. Partial. I'm still camping. No camping, we're nature stuff. So the bears. Not the potatoes, but the grass. Sorry, actually. I'm getting there. I think we've made some progress. Except that my hands are tight. I chose orange because, you know, orange is the next one. I don't know. The glowing one. I know. You're on the glowing one. Come on. We're getting close. Come on. Yes. We're getting there.
Oh yes.
Just so you know, we might have cut the video in the middle of it because I have no idea how long the video is. We're gonna have to cut it probably.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do some editing.
Of course. And we will add the Olive Garden music right when I say Olive Garden music.
Yeah, we'll add more cool things other than failing to get slime to not stick to us. We'll probably try to speed that up. Maybe do a super 2x, 3x speed.
We can do that.
We can do that.
I have no idea if we can do that.
Okay. Now I'm getting there. Now I got me extra bars at the bottom here. Right. It's always more sticky than it is. If I had more slime to pick out of there, so lots of exciting bowl.
I think it's on there. I'm trying to hold it. Come out. Come back to me, slime. I'm sorry. I'll never doubt you again. Wow. So it begins. Sassy teenager years. Doing it all wrong, Dad.
I'm just kidding.
Alright, I think I got it. That we do. Do you want some more? Oh, man, we're full of overload before I might be a little bit hungry.
Okay.
Now what do we do?
Now we're gonna take the stuff
Yep.
and then with a tiny spoon. Here, you have to flatten yours out.
Okay.
table. Here. Sit it right here, and then I'll get close-ups for you.
Okay. All right.
Set it on the table.
It's still sticking. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Just do it for the fans.
Okay. There you go. All right. Is that proper?
Yeah. Flash. And then we're gonna make this satisfying.
Ooh, powder. It's a silver powder.
Spread it like the pros, and then I'm gonna get some close-ups for you.
All right.
I think. this
Behold.
is perfect.
And now I fold it?
Yes, you mix it together until it's shiny.
Oh, wow.
Sorry if this is a bit off kilter.
Oh, wow. That is kind of cool.
It's gonna turn shiny soon.
This is going to be the coolest slime ever. Silvery greenish jade slime. Check that out. Look at that. That is really neat. So you wonder how the first Slimers ever figured this stuff out. I doubt they were chemists. That's for sure. I doubt they were chemists. I don't think they were chemists.
All right. Now.
But they sure make Elmer's glue very happy. Very happy.
All right. Now it's gonna be my turn. Okay.
Now Bella's doing.
Doing my little thing of happiness.
Yes. Check that out. Just fold that all over. That's so cool.
Professionals do.
Yes, this is how professionals do it. Glitter? Oh boy.
You don't have to add glitter, but what you can add is this stuff right here. Glow in the dark rocks.
Glow in the dark? Are you serious?
It should glow in the dark. I'm not sure if they're lying to us.
We must test. Well, we will test and confirm it, and use our night vision camera technology. Let's see if it glows in the dark. Wow, that's kind of cool.
I didn't know we had glow in the dark technology. I'm confused.
It's top secret.
Okay.
We've been hiding it from you for all these years. We use it for all our spy missions. Got a lot of slime supplies. How much does that cost?
What's your slime budget? You figure that out? Not as bad as other people. I know, I've seen that. It's almost like they're just trying to show off how much money they can waste. And they waste it! This is fun though. Alright, I'm gonna add my stuff. How much do you add? Just a little bit. Yeah? Yeah. The bird's been locked up, so we have nothing to fear from any aerial attacks. We'll not try to eat us from above. That's some gold coming. I can't wait to see this glow in the dark. Glow in the dark.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please comment in the comment section below which one is either more royal or